I hope you are doing well. So now today our topic is about triangles. So I will explain from foundation level, basic level, very basic level to advanced level. So in this we have to start with what is triangle actually. So what it mean, what is tri, what is angle. We will clearly know this in this video. Okay, right now. So here definition. What is definition of triangle? A triangle is a closed figure made up of three line segments. Okay, a triangle is a closed figure made up of with three line segments. Okay, you don't understand this definition, right? I think, right? So now we will go with the base. So now see, first we have some multiplier terms. Okay, multiplier terms. So what are these multiplier terms in a sense? Okay, I will explain you. So throughout the math we use these things, right? See, for single we use mono. For single, for two things we use die or by. Die or by. Okay. Next, for three things we use try. Next, four things quad. For five, pent. For six, hex. Next, seven. Seven is hept. Eight is oct. Nine is nona. 10 is dec. Okay. So now what is mono means? Mono means single. It is representing one. Bi or die means two. Tri means three. Quad means four. Pent means five. Hexa means six. Hepta means seven. Octa means eight. Nona means nine. Deca means 10. Okay. These are the prefixes. What are these? These are the prefixes. So you should remember this. So you may cross so many terms in you listen these words. So these are prefixes. So prefixes. So what do you mean by prefix? So if you are still confusing, okay, I will explain what is prefix. So for example, we are taking triangle. So in the triangle, we are taking this number, this one, this term. Tri indicating 3 plus what is their angle. So in this tri is nothing but your prefix. Tri is nothing but your prefix. It is before, we are placing before the angle, right? So first term is nothing but prefix. Next term is suffix. So actually it is in the grammar, English grammar, but now I am explaining for just clarification. See now, tri means prefix, angle means suffix. So what is our prefix here? Our prefix is tri. So tri is nothing but 3. So what is angle? It is any angle. Okay, 90 degrees, 20 degrees, any angle. So triangle means three angles. So what is our definition? A triangle is a closed figure. Closed figure in the sense there is no open, any open corner or any open side. Okay, this is a closed figure. This is also one closed figure. So there is no entry for this, right? So closed figure is nothing but it is totally surrounded with the sides. So a triangle is a closed figure made up of three line segments. Here how many line segment? This is line segment 1, this is line segment 2, this is line segment 3. So this is nothing but our triangle. Clear? I hope it is clear, right? So triangle is nothing but whereas the three angles. So triangle is a closed figure made up of with three line segments. I hope it's clear, right? Now our next agenda is what is side, what is angle, and what is vertex. So what is side, what is angle, what is vertex? See now, here I draw one figure, right? This is one triangle. Why? Because it has three sides, right? So it is one triangle given here. So whether it is which type of triangle we will decide it later, okay, in the later session. But now it is one triangle, okay, right? So for suppose this is, I think this is 40 degrees, or this is 50 degrees, or this is 70 degrees. It might be anything. Okay. Now what is side in this? So don't confuse, they are very easy, just to concentrate here. What is side? Side is nothing but one segment of the triangle PQ, one side. PQ is one side. Next, another side QR. PQ is one side. QR is another side. Next, QR after RP. RP is one more side. So how many sides total? Three sides. Next, angle. So don't confuse here. Here you are a little bit confusing. So angle is nothing but, if you are taking this 40 degrees, consider this as angle PQR. Angle symbol is indicated by this L, cross L. Okay. So our angles are angle PQR. Angle PQR. What is the angle PQR value? PQR is 40 degrees. Next angle R, QRP. Angle, sorry, it is angle, okay. QRP. What is angle QRP? QRP is 50. Okay, again 50 degrees. Next, now P. RPQ. Angle RPQ. What is angle RPQ? What is angle RPQ here? RPQ is 70 degrees. Is it clear? Now these are angles, remember. Next, vertex. So what is vertex actually? So vertex is nothing but where two segments are joining. Okay, where two segments are intersecting. So this is the one segment. These are here two segments are intersecting. Here two segments are intersecting. So vertex is here. P is a vertex. So Q is a vertex. R is a vertex. So if more than one, we will call it as vertices. Okay. If it is single vertex, what are the vertices means? It is plural form. Vertices. So what are the vertices here? P comma Q comma R. I hope it's clear, right? Now once again I will recall them. See sides. One side, second side, third side. PQ, QR, RP. Right. Angles. PQR, it is 40. Next, QRP, it is 50. Next, RPQ, it is 70. Right. Now vertex. Vertex is a singular, vertices is a plural form. Vertices are PQR. Now see here, now we are going to learn types of triangles. Okay. So now in the types of triangles, first this is triangle, this is one type based on the sides. So triangles are differentiated based on the sides. First we are going to learn with the sides. Next one is based on angles, they are differentiated. Okay. So first we are going with sides. So first what is here? Equilateral equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle and scalene triangle. So what is equilateral? So equilateral triangle, in the name itself there, right? What is equilateral? Equi means all sides should be equal. So for this is I consider as one. So I am giving here the example for that. Equilateral triangle. See this, I am drawing one triangle here. So for suppose this is PQR, our same example, but all sides are equal. This symbol indicates all are similar, equal, similarity symbol. This is okay. Now see here, this is 2 centimeters, this is 2 centimeters, this is 2 centimeters. Let us assume that. Okay. So all sides are equal. So then it is said to be equilateral triangle. Okay. Our definition of equilateral triangle is completed. What is the definition of equilateral triangle? Equilateral triangle definition is all sides should be equal. Then the triangle is said to be equilateral triangle. All sides are equal. All sides are equal. That is equilateral triangle. Next, isosceles. What is isosceles triangle? So only two sides are equal. Okay, I will draw the diagram for second one. Only two sides are equal. Only two sides are equal as it is. Same example PQR. Here this is 5 and this is 5 centimeter, but comes to this is 7 centimeters. So both sides are equal, right? These two sides are equal. Yes, opposite sides are equal. PQ and QR are equal. Now, what is the definition of isosceles triangle? If the two sides, if the any two sides of a triangle are equal, then the triangle is said to be isosceles triangle. Now see here, if any two sides, any two sides of triangle are equal, then it is called isosceles triangle. Last one is scalene triangle. What is scalene triangle? So first one variation is all sides are equal. Second one is two sides are equal. Third one is three sides are different. So what is a scalene triangle? Scalene is nothing but three sides are different. So I should draw like this, right? Okay. Three sides are different. So three sides are different. Okay. Three sides are different. See, this is for suppose 4, this for suppose 3, for suppose 5. So our same example PQR. So here all sides are different length. Yes or no? All sides are in different lengths. So what is scalene for definition? Scalene triangle is nothing but all sides are different. Otherwise, three sides are different. Three sides with a different lengths. With a different lengths. Are you clear? So now once again I am going to explain you see. So what is triangle? Actually triangle is a combination of three line segments. Yes or no? Yes. So now they are segregated into two types, based on sides and based on angles. So first we are going to consider based on sides. So on the based on sides they are segregated into three types. One is equilateral, next one is isosceles and scalene. So no confusion here. Equilateral, all sides are equal. This is equilateral. Okay, all sides are equal. What is isosceles? Any two sides are equal. Isosceles. Any two sides are equal. What is scalene? All three sides are different. Clear? All three sides are different. So I hope I done very well, right? So next we move to the based on angles, based on sides. So now we are going with based on angles. So as we have previous example P Q R, right? This is our basic triangle. Now what is acute angle triangle? What is right angled triangle? Obtuse angled triangle. So right angled triangle, obtuse angled triangle. Yeah. Now before we are going to enter into angles, but first we have to know what is the sum of the three angles. What is the sum of the three angles? This is a basic definition of triangle. Basic definition. Okay, remember it. Sum of the three angles of the triangle is, I am writing where I write. Where should I write it? Yeah, I will write here. So sum of the three angles of the triangle must be equal to 180. Remember this point. So I am writing here. Okay. So sum of the three angles, for suppose angle A plus angle B plus angle C must be equal to 180. So sum of the three angles of the triangle is equal to 180 degrees. Then only it is said to be a triangle. Remember it. So don't confuse here. Nothing to confuse here. Everything clear. Sum of the three angles is equal to 180. Then that is said to be triangle. So what is acute? So already we learned in the previous classes. What is acute in the sense? Less than 90. Acute angle is what, Nana? Less than 90. If angle less than 90, we said it to be acute angle. Angle less than 90 degrees. Okay. Next. What is right angle? Angle equals to 90. Angle equals to 90. It is right angle. What is obtuse? Obtuse. Angle angle greater than 90. Here it is less than. If it is greater than 90, it should be obtuse angle. Okay. So acute less than 90. It is less than symbol. Okay. It is less than symbol. If the angle is less than 90, it is said to be acute. If the angle is equal to 90, right angle. If the angle greater than 90, it should be obtuse. So now you clearly enter into the triangles. So what is acute angle? If all the three sides of a triangle less than 90 and its sum is leads to 180, then that triangle is said to be acute right angle triangle. Sorry, acute angle triangle. See now. So for suppose this is our triangle. So if it is this triangle is said to be acute angle triangle, the angles must be satisfy the condition. Every angle should less than 90. So I am writing here 50. I am writing here 60. I am writing here. So you must remember this thing. At last our sum should be 180, right? So 50 plus 60. Already how much? It is 110. So what is the remaining thing? 70. So I am not writing any sequence here. Okay. So just to see the logic here. 50, 60, 110, 110 plus 70, it is 180. So sum of the angles of the triangle is equal to 180. So see here, every angle here, angle PQR 50, it is less than 90, true. Angle QRP less than 60, true. Less than 90, true. Angle RPQ less than 90, yes, true. So it is said to be acute angle triangle. So if all sides of a triangle are less than 90, then the triangle is said to be acute angle triangle. Otherwise we will give one more definition is that if all sides of triangle all sides of triangle are acute, then the triangle is said to be acute angle triangle. All the sides are less than 90, acute in the sense less than 90, then the triangle is said to be acute angle triangle. Next, what is right angle triangle? If one angle of the triangle is equal to 90, then that triangle is said to be right angled triangle. Right angled triangle. See now, this is one 90 degrees thing. Next remaining, this is 60, this is 30. Angle PQR, triangle PQR. So now see, the sum of the three angles must be equal to 180. Yes, 90, 60. How much? 150 plus 30. How much? 180. So if any one of the angle is equal to 90, then that triangle is said to be right angle triangle. So what is our definition we need to write here? Our definition is one angle must be right angle. Must be right angle. Yeah. So no need to by heart any definition. We are formulating the definitions from picture itself. Here example, with the example itself we are framing the definitions. Now obtuse. Now the obtuse angle. So if a triangle whose sides are obtuse, then that triangle is said to be obtuse angle triangle. So otherwise, in other words, we will say if the triangle whose sides are greater than 90. See now. Yeah. So I am taking this as 110. So this is 60. So 110 plus 60. Also, okay, I will take it to 50. So this is as 20. So see now, same PQR. So obtuse angled triangle. So obtuse angled triangle is nothing but if one of the side is obtuse, then that triangle is said to be obtuse angled triangle. So that is here. So now I am going to give you definition for all these things. Just see this picture. Okay, you will get known clearly. So a triangle whose angles are acute is called an acute angle triangle. A triangle whose one angle is obtuse is called obtuse angled triangle. A triangle whose one angle is right angle, it is called right angled triangle. Am I clear? So these are three types of triangles.